gonna do that, and then we'll figure it out. Figure out what we want to do. I got the water right here. Well, the bucket. Oh, something's up in here. Oh wow, look what I found. I didn't even know this was right here. It's a heart. La 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 la. Ooh da 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 da. It's just like a metal heart or something. We use it like an emblem. Saving some highlights. Let me see if I can save another one. Oh yeah. Look at the back. I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint it black. That way it looks nicer. I don't like the color of it. Yeah, I feel like I'm sweating now a little bit. It is pretty hot, y'all. I'm gonna try to grow my hair more. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the bike over there and I'm gonna rinse that mud off. That's what I'm gonna do. It doesn't have a lot, but I'm gonna rinse it off once my wife comes. I think this tire has a hole, y'all, because when I got it from Uncle, the tire was low, and right now look at it. It's looking like it's losing air. So I might have to patch this one. Everything looks good. The only thing that I don't like is this. I'm gonna have to give it a touch-up paint. Wifey, hurry, please, please. Yeah, once she comes, I'm gonna rinse it over there. I'm gonna rinse that dirt off. And then I'm gonna take water so I can shower later. Oh, look at that fog. There's a lot of fog here. I'm gonna try to show y'all that fog over there. You see the top of the mountain right there, right at the peak? There's a lot of fog around here, guys. Now, the cool thing about here is that the weather, it doesn't really get hot here. Like, there's a lot of fog, just like over there. I'm gonna show y'all. See that fog right there on top of that mountain?